Imagine being lost in the wild with no phone signal. Scary, right? That's why we tested the Garmin inReach Mini 2, the tiny satellite communicator that could literally save your life. It sends SOS alerts from anywhere on Earth, shares your live location with family, and even guides you back using trackback routing. With two-way messaging, a digital compass, and a battery lasting up to 14 days, this pocket-sized device is like having a lifeline in your backpack.
Running a marathon with no idea how fast you're going or if you'll even finish strong. That's why we tried the Forerunner 955 GPS running smartwatch. It tracks every step with insane accuracy, even under dense trees or tall buildings. With full-color maps, training tips, and daily readiness scores, it's like having a coach on your wrist. Plus, the battery lasts up to 15 days in smartwatch mode. This isn't just a watch, it's your ultimate race partner.
Most people think brushing is simple until you realize you're missing spots and damaging your gums. That's why we tested the Oral-B IO Series 8, the smartest toothbrush ever. In just 1 week, it removes 100% more plaque and makes gums $3 healthier. With 6 cleaning modes, a pressure sensor, and an interactive display that literally celebrates you, brushing feels like a game. Plus, its AI app tracks every move, coaching you to become a pro brusher fast. Catching every detail outside your house, even a license plate in the dark. That's why we tested the Arlo Pro 5S, the ultimate 2K HDR security camera. With 12x zoom, color night vision, and a built-in spotlight, nothing slips by. Get instant alerts on your phone, sound the siren remotely, and even talk through the camera. Plus, it protects your privacy while protecting your home. With swappable batteries and non-stop monitoring, this is next-level security for ultimate peace of mind. Coleman RoadTrip 285 grill. In seconds, it fires up with push-button ignition, delivering 20,000 BTUs of power across 285 square inches of cooking space. With 3 adjustable burners, you control the heat like a pro. The built-in thermometer keeps meals perfect, and cleanup's easy with the removable grease pan. Best part, it folds up, rolls anywhere, and even stores upright. It's the ultimate portable grill adventure. Imagine a blackout. Your phone's dead, no power anywhere. That's when the GOODaaa bank saves the day. With a massive 45,800 mAh battery, it charges up to 7 devices at once, even wirelessly. If the sun's out, it recharges by solar, and if not, you can crank it by hand to generate power instantly. Waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof, it's built for survival. Plus, it has a flashlight, SOS mode, and a compass. This isn't just a charger, it's a lifeline. Ever been camping and realized there's zero privacy? That's why we tested the KingCamp shower tent, the ultimate portable bathroom and changing room, giving you full coverage with silver-coated fabric for complete privacy and sun protection. Inside, it's roomy with hooks for shower bags, mesh pockets for toiletries, and even a clothesline. Rain or shine, this tent's got you covered. Use it as a shower, toilet, or beach shelter. It's like bringing your own bathroom anywhere. Imagine being on a road trip and your gadgets all die at once. Nightmare, right? That's why we brought the Jackery Explorer 300, a portable power station that recharges to 80% in just 2 hours. Weighing only 7 pounds, it packs 293 watts of power with 2 AC outlets, USB-C fast charging ports, and even a carport, charging up to 6 devices at once. Pair it with a solar panel, and you've got endless green power. It's like carrying electricity anywhere. It's pitch dark, and you forgot a lantern. Total disaster. That's why we tested the Fly2 Sky rechargeable camping lights. These tiny lanterns may be mini, but they shine bright enough to light up your entire tent or trail. Clip them anywhere, use them as flashlights, or hang them for hands-free lighting. Perfect for hiking, fishing, or even power outages. With rechargeable convenience and survival-ready durability, these little lights turn any dark night into an adventure. Throwing the ultimate party anywhere, beach, campsite, or backyard. But no music? Disaster, right? That's why we tested this portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. It pumps loud, crystal-clear stereo sound, is fully waterproof, and even lights up with RGB effects. Pair 2 for TWS stereo, and you've got an instant dance floor anywhere. With long battery life and wireless freedom, this speaker turns any moment into a party. Music anywhere, anytime. It's that simple.